Most people who get the itch to start a custom stitching hobby find themselves staring at a price tag that looks more like a car down payment than a craft project. You want those crisp floral patterns and sharp corporate logos, but the high-end machines are just out of reach. That is when you start looking at these budget-friendly alternatives that promise the world for a fraction of the cost. This specific machine is one of those units that looks amazing on paper because it is packed with features you usually only see on the expensive stuff. You get a built-in screen, automatic thread cutting, and support for multiple hoops right out of the box. Setting it up is surprisingly easy for a beginner. You won't find yourself wrestling with a manual the size of a phone book or spending hours trying to figure out where the thread is supposed to go. You just unbox it, follow the quick start guide, and you are stitching your first design in minutes. The built-in screen is a nice touch because it lets you navigate your designs without needing to be a computer expert. When you look at the construction, it is a bit of a hybrid. The frame around the actual workspace is metal, which gives it some much-needed weight and stability. But once you look at the outer shell and the accessories, you see plenty of plastic. It clearly does not have the same heavy-duty feel as a professional industrial machine. When it comes to the actual work, the results are a bit of a roller coaster. If you are sticking to simple text or basic shapes, the stitch quality is actually quite decent. The lines are clean, and the finished product looks professional enough for most casual projects. But the cracks start to show when you try something complex. If you throw a high-density design at it, you are going to run into skip stitches. This is where you see the difference between a budget unit and the elite brands. Those top-tier manufacturers have mastered tension control in a way that this machine just hasn't. You will also find the software to be a bit of a bottleneck. You don't have that deep PC connectivity that lets you manipulate every single needle point from your computer screen. You are mostly confined to the designs that come preloaded or very basic imports. For a casual crafter, that might actually be a relief because it keeps things simple. But if you want to push the boundaries of design, you will feel limited pretty quickly. Comparing this to the household names like the big Japanese brands really highlights where the compromises were made. Those established names offer much more reliability and much smoother performance over long sessions. So the big question is whether it is actually worth your money. If you are a beginner who just wants to learn the basics and make some cool gifts for friends, this is a legitimate option. It functions well for small craft work, and it is a great way to test the waters. Just keep your expectations realistic. It is a fantastic starter tool, but it is not a replacement for a professional-grade machine. It is all about knowing what you need before you buy. If you want precision and the ability to handle high-volume work, you might want to keep saving your pennies. But if you want a fun, accessible way to start embroidering today, this machine gets the job done without breaking the bank. It is an honest piece of equipment that delivers exactly what you pay for, as long as you don't expect it to perform like a $5,000 powerhouse.